make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everybody, so I hope you are well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe if you're not already, because 55.5% of my audience haven't subscribed to my channel and I don't know why. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed and you somewhat enjoy my face and videos, then please subscribe. It would absolutely make my day. Also, as soon as we hit 10,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing a LUSH giveaway with a few other bits as well, but I do want to do a giveaway as soon as we hit 10,000, and I will be picking the winner sort of randomly, but I am also going to be looking at people who are most active on my channel, who are following me on Instagram and stuff like that, and who are active over there, because I feel like I have a lot of subscribers who are really supportive and like all my photos and comment on all my photos and stuff and on all my videos, so I think I want somebody like that to win. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and following me obviously on YouTube and things, because you will most likely be in a chance of winning. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing and giving my honest thoughts on the new LUSH advent calendar. This was requested, however, I was going to do it anyway, but I did get it requested a few times and thought, do you know what? You need to get your ass in gear, girl, because this video's got to go up soon. So that's what I'm doing today. I hope you guys are excited. I am excited, and let's go. Let's do this. So the box contains 24 items, and because it retails for £185, we hope to think that each item is roughly worth about £7.70-ish. Obviously some may be more expensive than others, but hopefully that is kind of the range we're going for. I know that LUSH will charge a little bit for packaging, so maybe £7 or so per item is reasonable, but I don't know how that's going to be, so we're going to get into it. I'm going to stop rambling. Let's go with the first item. So this is in no particular order. I'm not too sure on what order each item comes out as, but we're going to do it randomly anyway. So the first item I can see is the Bombardino Bath Bomb, which did come out a few years ago. It's roughly the size of Butterball, which is like about this big, and it's probably not worth £7. However, apparently it smells very buttery, zesty and sweet, so that sounds really, really good. It looks really, really adorable as well. I have got photos of everything, so you will see them all on the screen. But yeah, not too sure on the bath water colour, I'm not going to lie. It looks like it's going to go a really murky browny yellow, but if it smells good, then hopefully that kind of makes up for it. Next up, we have a 100-gram bottle of Sleepy Shower Gel. You guys know how I feel about Twilight. I absolutely love it. It's one of my all-time faves, and I love the scent so much. It's vanilla and lavender, so it's really sweet, really floral, really relaxing, and it's just the top 10 scent for me, so can't complain with that. Really love that idea. Good time. Next up, we have the Yognog Shower Gel, which Yognog, again, if you guys have watched me for a while, you will know that I am obsessed. It smells like caramel and toffee and vanilla and fudge, and it's so, so good. It's one of my favourite scents probably ever. It's really sweet. I have got the perfume and I am obsessed. Like, it just makes you smell like a cupcake, and I feel like everybody wants to smell like a cupcake, so 10 out of 10 for me. Love that one. Next up, we have another bath bomb, and this is the Satsumo Santa, which obviously has a very Satsumo-y, fruity fragrance to it. Looks really cute. It looks like Santa Claus. This has definitely had a revamp, and I can't for the life of me remember what this used to look like, but it definitely has been out before, so it's just a revamped version of an old product, which I'm all for. LUSH do that quite a lot anyway, so not really a shock, but that does look really, really cute. It's a shame his belt isn't black though, because I feel like it would give it a little bit more definition, but obviously that would be quite fiddly, and I feel like it would take a long time, so I do understand why they haven't done that, but I think it would look a lot better. But then the water would go with colour, so it's kind of like you win some, you lose some, you know. Next up is another shower gel, and this is the Poncho Shower Gel. This has been released a few times now, and it is so lovely. It's just a fruity kind of shower gel. I'm pretty sure it's got tequila in it, which if it still does, then what a great time. But it does smell really nice, really fruity, but it definitely has a soapy scent to it as well. So if you like your soapy fruity scents, it's one for you. If you don't, then you won't like it. The next item again is another bath bomb, and this is the Abominable, this is a hard word to say, abominable bath bomb. This one is mint and vanilla, so super fresh, and I'm pretty sure this bath bomb is relatively big as well. I think it's like a good old kind of Twilight size bath bomb, so definitely worth the money, this one. But looks really cool. I think that, again, this has been released before. I did do a little research on this one, and I think it was released before, so that's another sort of what's it called? Rejigged one, revamped one, re-released one. It's been out before basically, but that one sounds really, really good. The next one is an absolute classic, and this is the Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. This bath bomb has been one of my favourites for the longest time. It's a gold present, but inside it makes the water go a lovely turquoise colour. You also have tiny bath bombs which all come out in the water, and it's just so good. I think this bath bomb has to be one of my favourites, to be honest, especially at Christmas time. The scent just reminds me of Christmas at Lush, and I love it. So really, really love that. Definitely had to be in this gift set. I think I would have been highly disappointed if it wasn't, so love that. The next item again is another bath bomb, and this is the I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas bath bomb, which is roughly about £2.95, so a little bit cheaper. However, it's raspberry and fruit scented, but I also got told it was Space Girl scented, which might be the same smell, but I'm not really too sure. So I need to go into a Lush store and smell it. I might pop into one today because I'm going shopping in literally an hour, so that's a good time. But yeah, I think that one is a really, really lovely one, really cute, really affordable, and I think it's a nice addition, so I can't complain about that. The next item is a 45-gram pot of Dream Cream. Now, Dream Cream, if you didn't know, is amazing for sensitive skin, for eczema and psoriasis, and really dry, sensitive skin. So really glad they've popped that in there, although it kind of contradicts the rest of it because a lot of these bath bombs have glitter, so I feel like it's not necessarily kind of a whole sensitive like thing, but if you're sharing this with somebody, it's quite nice. So it's a nice addition. I can't really complain. But Dream Cream is lovely. It's a lovely rich moisturiser, so yeah, glad it's in there. Nice addition. The next one is a new bubble bar for this year, and that is the Kinky Boot bubble bar, which looks like Santa's boots upside down basically, and I think this is a reusable bubble bar, but it looks absolutely festive and I love the look of it. I think it looks so fun and different, so absolutely love that. Then we have an all-time favourite of mine, which is the Twilight bath bomb. I won't go on about this too much, but it's vanilla and lavender, and it smells like Sleepy, and it smells unreal, so glad it's in there. 10 out of 10 Lush. Nice little addition. Next up is the Sleepy bubble bar, which I actually haven't tried yet for some reason, and it looks so cute and so fun, so I need to pick myself one of these up. But I love the look of this so much. It's like a marble effect blue, purple and pink bubble bar, so love that. The next item is a gift exclusive, and this is a 45-gram pot of Sakura body lotion, and Sakura is a cherry blossom scent from Lush. It's really, really light, so if you don't like strong scents, this is a good body lotion for you. It smells really light, slightly floral. Really, really good. Next up is the Candy Cane bubble bar, and this smells like citrus and fruit and really, really lovely. However, I do wish it smelled like mint because it kind of would make sense. That's the only flaw I have with this product. I think that if they made it smell like peppermint, they would have been on to a winner, but never mind. It looks great, it looks festive, and I love the look of it, so can't complain. The next item is a new one for this year, and that is the orange sugar body scrub thing, which looks like you could eat it, to be honest. It looks like a slush puppy, and I love the whole idea of that. It's a 130-gram pot, so it's relatively big. I think it's like roughly like the kind of pot is about this size, so it's a really good trial size, especially if you want to kind of give it a go before you buy the massive pot. But if it smells like fresh orange, I think I'm gonna have to buy like 7 pots of that because I love that smell so much, and I also think it would be amazing in the summertime, so it might be one of those items that I buy now and save it for kind of March, April, May time. So yeah, definitely gonna have to give that a go, I think. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I was obsessed with this product a few years ago, and that is the Salt and Peppermint Bark. Now, I love this item so much. It smells like peppermint, like candy canes, sweet mint. It's so lovely, it's so fresh, and it makes your skin feel unbelievable. So you need to try this item, honestly. 10 out of 10, I am obsessed. The next item again is one that I'm so obsessed with, and I'm gonna have to buy one, and that is the Snow Fairy shampoo bar. This shampoo bar, to be honest with you, should have come out years ago. Like, Snow Fairy shampoo sounds like a great time. I know a lot of people that use it as shampoo anyway, so having an actual shampoo bar that you're supposed to use for your hair 10 out of 10, great idea, such a cute design, like I am obsessed with it. I love that so much. The next item again is a new one for this year, and it is a 45-gram pot of coconut snow body lotion. Now this apparently is floral, but I also feel like it's going to smell like coconut, so maybe it's like a floral coconut, I'm not really sure. I've not smelt it myself, but again, I'm going shopping today, so excited to start my Christmas shopping. I know it's early, but I want to get some of it done and out of the way, so I'm going to do that today, which also means I can get a Starbucks and a bubble tea, and I'm just really excited about it. But anyway, I'm getting distracted. Coconut snow sounds like it would smell unreal, so really excited to smell that when I go in later. Next up we have a soap, and I believe this is the first soap so far in this gift set, and that is the Shooting Stars soap. Now this soap has been released for a few years now. It's a classic. It just smells really fresh, a little bit fruity, a little bit sweet, and I love it, so I love that. It's a great time, and it's a 100-gram slice as well, so a really reasonable size, so love that. Next up is a bubble bar which has been released for many years, as in so long, I can't remember when they didn't have it, and that is the Christmas Eve bubble bar. Now they have changed the design of this over the years, however now it is more of a moon and star, which looks really cute, and again it smells really floral. It's a really lovely fresh scent, and I can't fault it, to be honest. It's a nice one if you don't like strong scents. It's definitely a nice one to go for, so 10 out of 10, love that. The next item is another soap, and that is the Golden Pear soap. This looks amazing. I think it smells really light. It's not an overly strong scent, if I can remember. It's a really kind of spicy, fruity pear smell, so really love the idea of that, and to be honest, I love a good soap, so can't go wrong. The next item again is one that I'm so excited to try, and that is the Candy Cane lip scrub. Apparently this literally tastes like straight up candy cane, which I'm all about. Love the idea of that, and to be honest with you, I just love anything sweet, and I love lip scrubs, so I can't complain. Love that idea. 10 out of 10. The next item is something a little bit different, and that is a body milk. And this is a 100-gram pot of Celebrate body milk, which sounds unreal. I love Celebrate because it's the same scent as Golden Wonder, so really fresh, really fruity. But a body milk sounds so lovely. It sounds like it would be a really light body lotion, which I believe it is. So that just sounds amazing, and I cannot wait to try that. I'm gonna have to give it a go. I love Golden Wonder, so that scent is up there with one of my favourites. And the last item in the box is actually the one I'm most shocked about, and it is a 15ml bottle of perfume. This is the Fresh As Perfume, and I'm just reading what's in it. It says it's pine, benzoin, resinoid, and, oh my goodness, tagetes? We all know I can't really pronounce words properly, but I have no idea what that smells like, so if any of you guys have had that scent before, let me know, because I'm absolutely so intrigued to see what that smells like. But yeah, it's basically a really lovely bottle of perfume, so that is everything in the advent calendar. Do I think the calendar is worth the money? It's very yes and no for me, I'm not gonna lie. If you are obsessed with the LUSH and you love LUSH so much, then 100% absolutely worth it. However, if you're just starting to get into LUSH and you want to try a few new things, I feel like there is not a big enough range of LUSH as a whole in this gift set. I feel like I could do with maybe a few other bits, maybe like a face mask or like a conditioner and a foot scrub and a bit more of a range. However, I do like the fact they've put a few all year round products in, and a few exclusive products in, and a few Christmas products in, and I just love the mixture of it. So I do really love the idea of it. I just think £185 is a little bit expensive. I think maybe £150 would have been a little bit more reasonable, but I really like the idea. I think the products in it look amazing, and it is a great idea from LUSH. I do really like it. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. I would absolutely love to hit 10k. It has been an ongoing dream of mine, so if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, please do. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, because again, like I said, I will be doing a giveaway very soon. So I hope you guys have an incredible day as always. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your ongoing support, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.